Kucoin versus Binance, which is better?
By HowtoMastery.
Looking for the best crypto exchange and can't decide between Kucoin and Binance? Both are powerful platforms with global reach, but they cater to slightly different users. In this guide, we'll compare them across key categories like fees, features, security, and more, so you can decide which one fits you best. 1. Overview and reputation. Let's start with some background. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume. Launched in 2017, it quickly became a dominant force thanks to low fees and a feature-rich platform. Kucoin, also launched in 2017, has positioned itself as a global exchange for altcoin lovers. It's known for offering access to a massive number of cryptocurrencies, many before they hit other exchanges. Both are widely used, but Binance has a stronger reputation in terms of global volume and trust. Ease of use. Binance offers both a basic and advanced interface. It's built for everyone, from casual traders to professionals, though beginners may need time to adjust. Kucoin is also user-friendly, but its interface isn't as polished or intuitive as Binance. That said, once you get used to it, it offers strong functionality and detailed tools. When it comes to trading fees, both are low, but Binance is slightly cheaper. Binance charges a 0.1% spot trading fee, with discounts if you use BNB, their native token. Kucoin charges a 0.1% base fee as well, and you can get discounts by paying in KCS, the Kucoin token. Both are far cheaper than Coinbase or other beginner platforms, so if you're fee sensitive, either is a good option. But Binance still has the edge on high-volume discounts and staking returns. 4. Cryptocurrencies available. This is where Kucoin shines. Kucoin lists over 700 plus coins, including many low-cap gems and early-stage tokens. Binance lists fewer, around 350 plus coins on the global platform, but they're more curated and vetted. If you're looking for altcoin exposure or like discovering coins before they trend, Kucoin is your playground. But if you prefer major coins and more regulatory compliance, Binance is safer. 5. Security and regulation. Security matters, especially in crypto. Binance has had past security incidents, including a major hack in 2019, but reimbursed users fully and strengthened its systems since. It also holds licenses or registrations in several jurisdictions. Kucoin was hacked in 2020, losing over $280 million. They recovered most of the funds and increased their security after the breach. Neither exchange is fully regulated in the US, but Binance US exists as a separate platform for American users. Kucoin, as of now, does not officially serve US users, even though many still access it via VPNs, which comes with risks. Features and tools. Binance offers a more complete trading ecosystem, spot and margin trading, futures and derivatives, crypto staking and lending, launchpad for new tokens, P2P trading, and a mobile app that's top tier. Kucoin also has margin and futures trading, trading bots, lending services, a built-in earn platform, and their own launchpad, Kucoin Spotlight. Both platforms are feature-rich, but Binance edges ahead in stability, execution speed, and mobile experience. Neither is perfect when it comes to support. Binance offers live chat and a support portal, but responses can still be slow during high traffic periods. Kucoin support is mainly via email and chatbot, and users often report longer wait times and less responsiveness. If support is crucial to you, Binance performs slightly better, but don't expect premium service from either. Final verdict. So, which exchange is better? Choose Binance if you want the most trusted and liquid exchange, care about low fees and strong infrastructure, need a reliable mobile app and wide tool set, prefer a more regulated environment. Choose Kucoin if you want access to hundreds of lesser-known altcoins, enjoy spotting hidden gems early, are comfortable with slightly more risk, prefer flexible trading bots and passive income options. If you're a serious trader or want a safe long-term platform, Binance is the stronger choice. But if you're an adventurous investor looking to explore new tokens, Kucoin could be your edge. Thanks for tuning in to HowtoMastery. If this helped you choose your exchange, share it with a fellow crypto explorer. And remember, whichever platform you pick, always trade smart and never invest more than you can afford to lose.